Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here. It's gonna be a really short video today. Just doing an update on what's going on with the Eclipse. We have the old motor. It moves fine. Cylinders doesn't sound like anything's clinking around in there. I have to replace the knock sensor. That kind of got snapped off. And I'm gonna take the old pressure sensor off the other block and put it on this one because this one started leaking. So yeah, it's gonna be it. Pretty much just transferring all the new stuff, all the pulleys and everything from the other motor and putting it on this one. So yeah, that's just updating y'all up on that, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.